Hey everyone, and welcome to the mat. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to explore the beautiful world of yoga together with 10 easy poses that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're brand new to yoga or just looking for a gentle way to move your body, this practice is for you. Remember, listen to your body, move at your own pace, and most importantly, have fun. Let's get started. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seat. Take a moment to settle in, feeling the ground beneath you. Notice the sensations in your body as you find a position that feels just right for you. You can sit cross-legged, or if that feels better, extend your legs out in front of you. The key is to find a position where you can relax and feel supported. Rest your hands on your thighs or knees, palms facing down or up, whichever feels more natural. Feel the connection between your hands and your legs, grounding you in the present moment. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Allow your eyelids to gently shut, blocking out the external world and turning your focus inward. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest and belly expand. Imagine the breath filling you with calm and peace. And exhale, gently releasing any tension. Feel the stress melt away with each breath out. Let's do that a few more times, breathing in and exhaling, letting go of any stress or worries. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more present and relaxed. Now gently circle your shoulders forward and then backward, feeling the movement in your upper back. Continue to breathe deeply, noticing how your body responds to the gentle motion. Next, let's lengthen the spine. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head, creating space between each vertebra. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, and gently arch your back. Feel the stretch along your front body, opening up your chest and heart. Exhale, round your spine, and tuck your chin to your chest. Feel the stretch along your back, releasing any tension you might be holding. Repeat this movement a few times, flowing with your breath. Inhale to arch, exhale to round. Let the rhythm of your breath guide your movements. Great job! Now, let's move on to our first pose. Remember to keep your breath steady and your mind focused as we transition. Come to standing at the top of your mat. Stand tall and proud, feeling the earth beneath your feet. This is the foundation of your practice, a moment to connect with the ground and prepare your body and mind for the journey ahead. Bring your feet hip-width apart, or you can even bring those big toes to touch if it feels good. Notice how this small adjustment can change the way you feel balanced and stable. It's all about finding what works best for your body. Feel the ground beneath your feet, grounding down through all four corners. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the earth, providing you with a strong and stable base. Relax your arms by your sides, palms facing forward. This open posture invites energy to flow freely through your body, creating a sense of openness and readiness. Feel your shoulders relaxing down away from your ears. Let go of any tension you might be holding there. Imagine your shoulder blades sliding down your back, creating space in your neck and upper body. As you inhale, reach your arms up overhead, palms facing each other. Stretch through your fingertips, feeling the length in your spine. This movement not only stretches your body but also lifts your spirit. Imagine you're reaching for the sky, lengthening through your entire body. Visualize yourself growing taller with each breath, creating space in your body and mind. Take a deep breath in here, feeling the expansion in your chest and belly. This deep breath nourishes your body with oxygen, energizing every cell. And exhale, releasing any tension. Let go of anything that no longer serves you, making space for new energy and possibilities. Mountain pose is all about finding stillness and strength. It's a reminder that even in stillness there is power. Feel the strength in your legs, the stability in your core, and the calm in your mind. Stay here for a few more breaths, feeling grounded and centered. Use this time to connect with your breath, your body, and the present moment. This is your time to find peace and balance before moving on with your practice. From mountain pose, step your feet back about hip-width apart. This foundational pose is a staple in many yoga practices and serves as a great way to stretch and strengthen your body. As you step back, Ensure that your feet are parallel to each other and your toes are pointing forward. This alignment helps in maintaining balance and stability throughout the pose. Now, bend forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head forward while your tailbone reaches back. This will help in elongating your spine and creating space between each vertebra. Keep your knees slightly bent if you feel any tension in your hamstrings. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the mat. Spread your fingers wide to create a stable base. Your middle finger should be pointing straight ahead, and your palms should press firmly into the mat. This hand placement is crucial for distributing your weight evenly and preventing any strain on your wrists. You can walk your hands forward a bit if you need more space. Adjusting your hand placement can help you find the most comfortable and effective position for your body. Remember, yoga is about finding what feels good for you, so don't hesitate to make small adjustments. Now lift your hips up and back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Engage your core muscles to support your lower back and keep your body stable. Imagine your hips being pulled up towards the sky, creating a sense of lightness and lift in your pose. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart and your feet hip-width apart. This alignment helps in maintaining balance and ensures that your body is evenly supported. Your heels may not touch the ground, and that's perfectly fine. Focus on the stretch and the alignment rather than the depth of the pose. Press through your palms and spread your fingers wide. This action helps in distributing your weight evenly across your hands and provides a strong foundation for the pose. Feel the connection between your hands and the earth, grounding you in the present moment. Feel a nice stretch in the back of your legs and your spine. This pose is excellent for lengthening the hamstrings and releasing tension in the lower back. Allow your body to relax into the stretch, breathing deeply and steadily. Breathe deeply here, and with each exhale, see if you can lengthen your spine a little bit more. Use your breath to guide you deeper into the pose, creating more space and openness in your body. Downward facing dog is not just a physical pose, but also a moment to connect with your breath and find a sense of calm and focus. From downward facing dog, gently bring your knees to the mat. Bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. Lower your forehead to the mat and extend your arms out in front of you, palms facing down. This is a resting pose, so feel free to stay here for a few breaths or even longer if you need a break. Allow your body to soften and release any tension. From child's pose, come back to your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest and drawing your belly button towards your spine. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the mat, arching your back in the opposite direction and lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. Continue flowing between these two poses, coordinating your breath with your movement. From cat-cow pose, come to lie on your stomach with your legs extended behind you, tops of your feet on the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders, elbows close to your body. Inhale, press into your hands, and lift your chest off the mat. Keep your shoulders relaxed away from your ears and your gaze slightly upwards. Exhale and gently lower back down to the mat. Come to a seated position on your mat with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine and reach your arms overhead. Exhale, hinge at your hips and reach for your toes, keeping your spine long. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes. Just reach as far as you can comfortably go. Hold the pose for a few breaths, feeling a stretch in the back of your legs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the mat, hip-width apart. Place your arms alongside your body, palms down. Inhale, press into your feet, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Clasp your hands under your back and press your arms into the floor for support. Hold the pose for a few breaths, feeling a stretch in your chest and shoulders. Sit with one side of your body against a wall. Swing your legs up the wall as you lower your back to the floor. Adjust your position so that your legs are straight up the wall and your back is resting comfortably on the floor. Relax your arms at your sides, palms up. Close your eyes and rest in this pose for a few minutes. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and your arms at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Allow your body to relax completely and release any tension. Stay in this pose for several minutes, allowing yourself to fully let go. This is a time for deep relaxation and integration. And there you have it, 10 easy yoga poses for complete beginners. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and most importantly, enjoy the practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more yoga videos. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. Namaste.